The USS Gerald R costs $13 billion. It carries 75 aircraft, 5,000 sailors, and it is the most expensive warship ever built. The U.S. Navy just approved something that costs $23 billion, and it doesn't carry a single aircraft. This is the USS Defiant, and it is about to change naval warfare forever. In the Red Sea right now, Arleigh Burke destroyers are burning through their missile cells at a rate nobody predicted. Each destroyer carries 96 interceptors. Against a sustained Houthi drone campaign that launches hundreds of targets simultaneously, some ships exhausted their entire loadout in 72 hours. And here is the problem nobody talks about. The Arleigh Burke cannot reload at sea. Every time it runs dry, it has to return to port, a process that takes days, leaving the entire strike group exposed. The Navy calls this the magazine depth crisis, and the USS Defiant was built specifically to solve it. The Defiant runs on a nuclear reactor. No fuel stops. No oilers following it across the ocean. Unlimited range. It can stay on station for months without returning to port for anything except crew rotation. But the reactor is only the beginning. 128 Mark 41 vertical launch cells. That is 33% more than any destroyer currently in service, loaded with standard missiles, Tomahawk cruise missiles, and something no surface ship has ever carried before: conventional prompt strike hypersonic weapons, capable of hitting any target on Earth in under 30 minutes. At 35,000 tons, this ship doesn't just replace a destroyer, it replaces an entire strike group. But here is where the gamble gets dangerous. America only has 2 shipyards capable of building nuclear surface vessels. Both are already at capacity building submarines. Adding a 35,000-ton nuclear battleship to that queue creates a bottleneck that could delay the entire program by years. And the Navy is simultaneously retiring its Ticonderoga cruisers, leaving a capability gap that the Defiant won't fill until 2032 at the earliest. There is also the unresolved question of the railgun, the electromagnetic weapon that was supposed to revolutionize naval firepower before being canceled after $500 million in development. The Defiant's design includes mounting points for directed energy weapons, but no confirmed system to fill them. The USS Missouri ended the battleship era in 1992. The USS Defiant is trying to start a new one. But concentrating $23 billion of capability into a single hull that can only be in one place at one time raises one question the Navy hasn't answered yet. Is this the most powerful surface combatant ever built? Or the most expensive single point of failure in naval history? Subscribe, because the answer will define the next 50 years of American sea power.